So last day we're here. So I'll take my baby down to the Comic-Cons because I don't actually have to work today. So yes, gonna use these press passes and see what we can see. Hopefully it'll be something cool. There's probably not gonna be any fights today, so I'm sorry about that. But it should still be pretty interesting, I think. Right, babe? Yeah, it took her a minute. Yeah. It's like a little adventure. All the seeds are like just floating around. Maybe those are bugs. Maybe you're jerking bugs. Yo.
Do it.
Hey, I was looking at that. What are you doing? You can see the top of my head. It looks funny. Oh, hey. We had to stop at My Little Pony because my wife absolutely adores My Little Pony. So if you're a My Little Pony fan, it's pretty cool. Oh wait, there's a thing. No, I guess she doesn't want to do it. Just stick your head in the cassette.
Yeah, you're not supposed to stick your head in it.
I think these guys are about to get thrown up on.
Be walking down the street. You want to phone a friend? You can ask anybody. You want to ask somebody?
Oh, this guy.
I am literally giving you the opportunity to ask somebody. You're like, I don't know. I'd rather just get spitted on. Is that it?
Yeah. That's what they're here for.
She goes, oh, that's lovely. That is cold. That's cold. Player 2. Who does Osimo predict to win the Super Bowl? Who does Osimo predict?
We found actors or something. There's Riverdale people. Yeah, turn it around. We're trying to get there, but there's like tons of people.
Not gonna get in line?
And we haven't even been there that long. We've been here for maybe.
It's a nervous yarn, my God.
Yeah. Been here for like an hour, and she's like, "Oh, I'm over it."
No.
There's just tons of people everywhere. It's hard to get around, but we found the Blizzard booth. Blizzard.
And I thought I was gonna find it there.
Still have not found a Kirito anywhere.
Let's not go outside.
Anywhere. Oh, did I say? I said Kirito. I found a Kirito yesterday. I haven't found a Kenshin.
Brownie kitchen.
Kenshin, where you at? Nina got kicked out. So we're not at the convention center anymore. We're back where we were shooting all this stuff. What's up, man? We're back where we were shooting the interviews and whatnot. And it's not as crowded as it was yesterday. I was getting kind of pushy with my cart. But today it's not too bad. We can actually walk around and see stuff. As you can see, there's that Metro Tower thing that was yesterday. But I think that's pretty much it. We might stop and get something to eat. Other than that, we're gonna take the 3.5 hour trip back home to Los Angeles and get in the heat because it's like 75 here. It's probably gonna be like 90 there or some shit. And then that's it. So, all right. My hair's like still wavy. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
She's not happy she got kicked out.
Where?